to go shooting up a mountain. Stay tuned for epic views. Here we go. Bye, civilization. Hello, rooftops.
Ooh, rooftops.
Ooh, exotic. So that's heavenly here at Tahoe. That's where we're at. And it's quite heavenly. There's Lake Tahoe out in the distance. We should be having some real views down here shortly. Oh, we're getting higher.
Starting to go vertical now.
Are they stopping it?
I just slow it down.
No, they stopped it. I don't like when they stop them. Oh, we just went backwards a little bit. I mean, yeah, so we're sitting here. Ooh, look at the lake. It's cool.
It's cool.
What if we got stuck up here like
For hours.
for hours?
And they're getting us a hotel room.
They're getting us a hotel room. Yeah. So floating up mountains apparently is a little more technical than hiking up one. I've gotten stuck on a roller coaster upside down before, but never
Oh, really?
a gondola. Yeah, at Six Flags in the Bay Area. They had to bring like a ladder on wheels to get us out and plucked us out one at a time. Yeah, it was real exciting. Ooh, we're going pretty vertical now.
We are.
Going straight up.
It's pretty awesome.
It is. Oh, look how big the lake looks. It's pretty amazing.
It is. It's a little breezy up here.
Oh, we're almost to the top.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, could be a false summit.
Could be a false summit.
I kind of doubt it. But you never know.
Oh, there's something up there.
Godzilla. I'll be hiking out over the horizon. There's like an observation deck up here. We slide open. So we rode up to here, but it goes further. But we got out here for now to check out the view. Wow. Well, this is a view of Tahoe you don't usually get every day. Yeah, this is a cool little observation deck up here. Look at all this stuff. There's zip lines up here. There's rock climbing. They've got a cool roller coaster thing that I think we're gonna do if we can find it. And there's a lodge. This would be a great place to bring kids. This lodge at the top of this gondola here. There's just so much for everybody to do. There's trails to hike. They're mining. They're learning how to mine. How cool. That's awesome.
Get your mind on. Mind your own business.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
I don't mind. That was painful. Yeah, look at this rock wall. Kids can come up here and climb. This is amazing. This is the lodge. If you wanted to, let's check out the lodge. Yeah, hiker. Woo! Hi. Fantastic. Ooh, this is nice. Alright. Smells like salad bar in here. So Batman and I have decided to do this roller coaster thing. This should be fun. Here we go. It's one of these coasters where you go through the woods. Should be pretty fun. Just went over my head. Fun. This is exciting. Well, I'm back out on the trail. It's already like a little after 5, so probably not gonna do like a whole lot of miles today, but I'm back out. That was fun. I love Tahoe. So yeah, gonna go a little ways, find camp, find a pretty place for camp, and probably call it a night for today and then start early tomorrow. But what an adventurous day. That was so fun. And riding around on a motorcycle. Batman has all the toys, all the fun things. Alright, see if I can find a good camp. Oh, guess what? I got new shoes. Yeah. Fantastic. Have to show them to you while they're still clean. As they won't be soon. Well, this is a pretty cool part of the trail. Ooh, it's windy. Walk along this lake for a while. How neat is this? Ah, that's beautiful. This ain't half bad. How beautiful is this? Love it. So I guess the section I'm in There's no camping for about the next 5 or 6 miles. So I'll probably lose daylight before I get that far. Probably take me 2 hours. I think it's after 6 right now. So maybe I'll end up doing a little night hiking just to get to a spot I'm allowed to camp. So this lake apparently has a water taxi from one end to the other. So I guess if you're hurting or want to have a little fun on the taxi ride on the water, you can do that. Personally, I'm digging this hike. This part of the trail is pretty neat. But yeah, that's beautiful too. Some nice houses right along here. It's pretty neat. Look at this. It's like so picturesque. This is incredible. These little houses up here are just incredible. I'm totally envious of these people that live on this lake. Echo Lake, Upper Echo Lake. There are no roads, I don't think, to any of the houses or the cabins. You have to boat in, which is way cool. And probably what the ferry has to do with. Look at that. And there's quite a few of them. They're just incredible. They're just dotted all along the side of the lake. Seriously, look at some of these houses. Look, that one's built on like a giant rock slab. That's amazing. And then just up the way here, look at that little guy. Like down on the rock on the water. And that view, this is just way too neat. Real jealous. Look at this little cabin in the corner even. Who are these people? So cool. I would totally live here. Yes, please. So I reached outside of the restricted camp area, past all the lakes and stuff. I'm gonna cowboy camp right here. I think that's gonna be amazing. Oh, look, there's another little spot right there. Oh. This is a nice little area. Maybe I want to be by the tree. Yeah, I'm going to go over there. That's way cooler. Pick up my home and move it. So I'm in bed. I did 6 miles today. Ooh. Which isn't too bad. It's almost 8 o'clock. I made it outside the area I needed to camp legally. So I'm happy. I'm cowboy camping. Tomorrow I will conquer Dick's Pass. And that should be my last one for a while. Pretty sure.